Hi, welcome back. I'm glad that you came back to Fintech Solutions. And today we're going to talk about computer speed or performance. As we all know, it's one of the most important things that when you're using your PC. You might wonder why sometimes your computer slows down, gives them not responding messages, or sometimes programs just crashes. And I know this has been a problem to many most of the time, especially when you are doing that most important task and all of a sudden you start receiving not responding messages. That's normally one of the very annoying things that you can come across. So, in this video, we're going to look at some of the things that are just making your computer slow or non-responsive. I think that will be a plus or maybe a solution to some of you who are looking to bring an end to such problems. So we're going to look at the 5 main factors that are contributing to your computer's slow response or slow speed. So let's jump right into the first step, which is about your computer processor size or RAM size. Now, the RAM size of your computer determines just how many applications you can run in your PC. So if you run too many applications in the background or just minimize the tabs or something, it is very likely that your computer will start behaving in a slow way. That's if you have a smaller RAM capacity, let's say 2 GB or 4 GB. So if you know this, the size of your RAM cannot manage to run very many applications in the background, it is a good idea that you close all the applications that you're not using, or just open a few applications and then maintain your computer speed. Because if you don't do that, then definitely you're going to have the problem of some programs crashing or loading at a very low speed, and that would affect your task performance and what you're doing. So RAM is the first thing, and the only solution that you can do in that case is upgrade it by a RAM of a higher capacity if you intend to be running many applications than you are doing at the moment. And now, point number 2 is the number of applications installed on your PC. Just as an Android device, when there is too much applications in your computer's storage or memory, the computer tends to start having a bit of a slower response or poor performance. So if you want to manage your speed, one of the things that you should consider doing is uninstalling all applications that are either not compatible or surplus to needs in your PC, because having them in your system only affects your computer's performance and doesn't give you any positives. So search for any applications that you don't use regularly, or applications that are probably not compatible with your device, and uninstall all of them. That would be a better way of creating more space in your system's main storage, and thus improving your computer's performance and speed in that manner. The third thing that slows down your computer are the files, that you don't use, the many files that you store in your system's main storage, which is in most cases the disk C. Too many files slow your computer performance, and you should consider doing the same thing as you did with the applications. Look for the files that you've not been using, movie files, music files, the exe download files, the files that you download whenever trying to install an application. So you should look for such files and delete them to clear out memory from your main disk, that is the drive C in most cases. So you will do it for the main drive in your PC. So that's one thing that you should do. Look for the files that you're not using, downloaded files, or maybe send from an external drive, download them to clear some memory in your computer's storage. The next and fourth thing, when it comes to PC speed, one of the factors that you should consider changing is do, do you have an antivirus? When your computer does not have an antivirus, it is exposed and it is very much vulnerable. It's exposed to malicious programs that may attack some of your system files, and then thus affecting the response or the speed at which your computer uh, programs are executed. So if you don't have an antivirus installed in your computer, you should consider looking for one, because that will help prevent these malicious programs from attacking your computer and contributing into the lower speed. Now, the fourth issue that affects your computer performance is updates. Sometimes we consider switching off or turning off the updates for the sake of maybe data consumption issues, or of us for our own reasons. Updates are annoying sometimes, and they consume quite a lot of data, not unload. But it is also necessary that at some point you set aside a specific time that you will download and install updates in your PC, because this does not only help your computer stay up to date, but also helps improve your speed and also performance of your computer. So you can look for Windows updates from the Microsoft website and install them at a certain intervals of time, or you can as well go to this driver pack solution websites and download the driver pack exe file, and then run it on your computer to create all the drivers and any other thing that is not up to date within your PC. By so doing, you will have a chance of changing the speed or the rate at which your computer responds, and its performance in general. So that's all for on computer speed. If you have any other thing, any questions, feel free to share it in the comment section, and I would be much happier if you clicked on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button for updates on newly uploaded videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Press the subscribe button and see you in the next video.